Hello, this is how to eat pani puri. Make tok 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 like this. Ayan. Para ilalagay mo yung palaman sa loob. Ito, meron siyang potato with noodles like that, onion, then chili, then you need to pour this like a water. Yeah. Oh shit. Yan, tapos lagyan ng water na marami. Ito yon. Ito, then i-eat mo na siya.